Okay, good. Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm here with Harris and Newell. Today we'll go through the ERD, the skeleton table. Harris will then go over code, and Newell will go over testing, documentation, and procedural. So with the ERD, we created 3 table objects. First, the object table address, then the nested table review table type from review type, and a VArray social media VArray type from social media type. Then we made 4 relational tables: retreat, guest, program, and accommodation with the primary keys, and the junction table, accommodation retreat with its compound key. The skeleton table, we made the columns for it. Address type, we gave them 3: street, city, country. Accommodation ID, retreat ID, with its name, description, number of rooms, etc. There's review type, accommodation retreats with compound key and review type, social media type, and guests and programs. Discord. Harris, it's up to you.
Alright, so to start off with, I'll just paste in the entire script file quickly. Go away. Paste. Alright, and then to show what we're doing, I just select tab. So as you can see, we've created 6 tables, and there's 2 bin tables. So accommodations retreats, which is a junction table between accommodations and retreats. Address table type, which is an object table, which has address types within it. Then we've got guests, which just has variables such as guest ID and review, programs, and then a retreat. So for the alters, we go to show you. So mostly here we've got all the primary keys. As you can see here, this is where we set the composite primary key for accommodation retreats. And then you've got the foreign keys as well. There's composite foreign key for programs. And let me just show all the objects that have been created. And then there you've got a list of objects. You've got the procedures and functions, which Newell is going to talk about now.
Hello, I am Noel. So I'll be talking about the functions, procedures, triggers, and cursors. For the procedure we have gets takes in the parameter of the guest ID. Sorry, that's for the functions. For the procedures, takes in the parameter of the retreat ID to get the full details of the accommodations on the accommodations retreat table. So for procedures, we pass in the parameter of the retreat ID, and every details associated to the accommodations on the accommodations retreat table is being repeated by the database. For functions, we get the full address of the guests by passing in the guest ID, and every details related to the guest is outputted by a database. Then for the triggers name, we call it set review date because it's meant to fire before every record is inserted into the database, especially records that has to do with accommodation retreats. So the triggers checks for the inserted information into the database and make sure the review date is not null. But if it is null, it fires in an error and automatically sets the date to system date. And for the cursors, is meant to loop through the guest table because it's a guest cursor and bring out every information of the guest alongside their social media information, that's contacts and name. And that's all we have for the PL and SQL. Thank you.
Well done.
Yeah, I think so. Showing up?
That's it.
Okay.
I'm stopping it now.
Yeah.